what I have here is 5 rupee coins. One is slightly thicker than the rest. I've taken 3 of these and I have stuck them together using a super glue. So once you do that, you will end up with this coin stuck to the end of the screw which goes onto the mount. It has some weight to it, so I really like the weight. So let's put this onto the mount itself and see how it looks. This setup looks a lot better than the earlier setup, so let me go ahead and turn on the gimbal itself and see how this works. So like you see, the gimbal is not making any noise. It's buttery smooth. Does not make any noise when I tilt it up or down. So there we go, Hohem Multi Gimbal with GoPro Hero Session 5. See you in my next video. Take care, people.